If your knees bark at you every time you stand up, climb stairs, squat, or just walk across the parking lot, stay with me, this one's for you. Millions of people have been told the same lie. It's just age, wear and tear, nothing you can do. Here's what's actually happening. The muscles that were designed to protect your knees have gone quiet. And most people's daily habits are pouring gasoline on the inflammation instead of giving the body what it needs to rebuild. So today, I'm gonna go over the 5 most common knee problems, 5 specific movements for each of them, and 5 specific foods for each of them. Let's go. The number 1 cause of knee pain on the earth is osteoarthritis. The cartilage inside the joint wears thin. You get stiffness, swelling, and that first 30 seconds out of bed pain that makes you walk like a rusted hinge. And what does almost everybody do? They stop moving, which is the exact opposite of what the joint is asking for. The movement is backwards walking, sled drag, treadmill in reverse, or just your driveway. Walking backwards loads the knee joints with no shearing stress and builds the quad in a range most people never train. 10 to 15 minutes 3 times a week. Start today. The food is turmeric, fresh root if you can get it. Curcumin has been studied more than almost any other plant compound for supporting the body's normal inflammatory response. Take it with black pepper and a fat like coconut oil or olive oil where the body barely absorbs it. Number 2 most common knee pain is runner's knee or patelliformal pain syndrome. You don't have to run a single mile to get this one. You know you have it if there's pain around or behind the kneecap, shows up on stairs, in squats, or after you've been sitting in a chair for 2 hours. The hip and the knee have stopped talking to each other. The movement is Poliquin step-ups. Toes elevated on a slant or a plate, low box, slow up, slower down. This trains the muscle right above the inside of your knee, the one that keeps the kneecap tracking where it belongs. 3 sets of 10 each leg, 3 times a week. The food? Nettle leaf. Steeped as a tea or blended into a green drink. Nettle is one of the most mineral-dense plants that grows. Silica, calcium, magnesium, boron, the raw material your connective tissue is built from. Traditional herbalists have used it for joint complaints for centuries. Number 3 most common knee pain is meniscus injuries. Is the one that I've dealt with. The meniscus is the cushion inside your knee. Twist wrong, pivot hard, or just live in a chair for 20 years and it tears. You'll notice pain, clicking, catching. Sometimes the knee locks up completely. And not every tear needs a scalpel, like me. Plenty of people improve with structured rehab that restores strength, balance, and full range of motion under proper guidance. The movement is ATG split squats. Once you're cleared to load it, nothing rebuilds knee resilience through full range like this. Start elevated, assisted, start shallow, earn the depth. The food is horsetail, one of the highest natural sources of silica on earth, and silica is directly involved in how the body builds cartilage and connective tissue. The body converts silica into calcium in the body. So you can brew it in as a tea and cycle it. Don't drink it every single day for months. Switch it up. My formulas already take care of that. Number 4 most common knee pain is tendon pain or jumper's knee. And this is the tendon that connects your kneecap to your shin. Athletes get it, so do roofers, electricians, and anybody who lifts, climbs, or kneels all day. And the advice you've been given, just rested, is why it's still there 2 years later. Tendons don't heal from doing nothing. They heal from being loaded intelligently. The movement is KOT, calf raises, plus tibialis raises. Slow, controlled, full stretch at the bottom, full contraction at the top. You're building the shock absorbers below the knee so the tendon stops taking the hit. The food is vitamin C rich fruit like oranges, kiwi, camu camu, black currants, guava, moringa. Your body cannot assemble collagen without vitamin C, and tendon is collagen. Eat it in the hour before you train the tendon. Number 5 is ligament injuries like ACL and MCL. Sudden direction changes, bad landing, somebody's ankle where your ankle is supposed to be. And here's what most rehab programs undertrain. The hamstrings. Your hamstrings are the ACL's bodyguard. They pull backwards on the shin, which is exactly the force the ligament is trying to resist. The movement is assisted negative Nordic curls. Lower slowly, push yourself back up with your hands. Add reverse Nordics for the quads. This is the single most underused pair of movements in knee training. And the food is frankincense, boswellia. The same resin the Magi carried has been studied for joint comfort and mobility, and it's been used medicinally for about 3,000 years, longer than the pharmaceutical industry has existed. So, movements and herbs sit on top of a foundation. If the foundation is rotten, none of it holds. Build meals around anti-inflammatory whole foods, colorful vegetables, berries, pomegranate, citrus, beans, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, chia, flax, olive oil. Get your minerals. Spirulina and chlorella are among the most nutrient-dense foods available and support the body's natural detoxification pathways. Black walnut hulls are a traditional mineral-rich cleansing herb, but short-term use, and skip entirely if you have a tree nut allergy or you're pregnant. And train the whole chain, not just the knees. Leg raises for the hips and core. Jefferson curls and good mornings for the spine and hamstrings. Your knee is a joint caught between your hip and your ankle. If either one is stiff, the knee pays the bill. So your knees don't work alone. Healthy knees are built on strong muscles, smart movement, real food, and healthy body weight and staying in motion. Pain is a signal that something needs attention. It is almost never a signal to stop moving forever. Your body was designed to heal. Give it the raw materials and the right stimulus and watch what it does. If this helped you, follow for more science-based natural health and tell me in the comments which one of these 5 are you dealing with right now. I read every one. Honor your temple. See you in the next video. Love.